Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Steven Aldaco. Today we have the opportunity to check out four-wheel campers. They're a company based in Southern California and they build these awesome truck camper beds, and I'm in the market for one, so we're gonna go inside and give you a tour and check them all out. If you enjoy van life and hiking content, make sure you subscribe to this channel and let's get into the video. So the first model we'll look at today is the Fleet model. This retails for $20,000, and as you see it equipped, it is $30,000. I love this bench seating with the Lagoon table mount. You can use that as a desk or a little eating area. The table/desk area also converts into a bed, so you can sleep up to 3 or even 4 people inside of the setup. Moving on to the bed area, this bed slides out so you can sleep east to west or north to south. And there's plenty of space even for someone who's really tall. See, we're big chillin' here. Alright, so now we have the rollover couch config. It's the same Fleet model, but the couch configuration is a little bit different. The nice thing about four-wheel campers is that it's customizable. So you can add a fridge, you can add a stove, a sink, a heater, or you can skip all of those things and just get the bare bones. This one here is equipped with a really nice stove that folds flat away, and it also carries a sink. So if you've been looking at full-size trucks, be sure to check out the Hawk model. With the Hawk model, it's essentially the same size as the other models, the Fleet model, which are for smaller trucks. But in this one, you'll get the same kitchen dinette setup that we totally loved in the Fleet model. This kitchen dinette setup will also turn into a bed. The really nice thing about this model for someone who is going to full-time is that it has the ability to add a bathroom. Having the restroom is essential for those late night emergencies. In addition to the restroom, you'll also have the ability to add a refrigerator and add a stove as well as a sink. That was super cool to check out. Thank you everybody at Four Wheel Campers for letting me check out your facilities. There's a lot of really cool advantages to having a pop-up camper. Number one, which I think is most important, is that you can drive a truck, and a truck can go almost anywhere. So you can take your home or your overlanding vehicle anywhere you want. There's no limitations, only the limitations that you place on your truck. Also, the great thing about having a pop top is that you can have enough standing room when you need it, and when you drop it down, you can save a ton of money on gas by not having a full high roof camper. So please let me know what you think down below in the description. As always, thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.